Hey guys, my name is Alessia. I am a representative of the Art Sport Plus team. Our team decided to prepare a video with the football player Ronaldo for you. I forget to ask you everything. How are you doing? What are your successes? Write in the comments. Have you already gone to training? Did you give your best at training in the gym 100% or only 50%? Write in the comments what kind of sport you do. For your motivation, I will quote Cristiano Ronaldo. I have already won everything that can be won in football, but I will never stop trying to win until the day I retire from football. I'm just like that. I know it's possible to be in bad shape, but I don't believe it can let you down. Inner focus plays a crucial role when you want to achieve your goals, and the key to achieving them is to keep setting these goals. What do you think about this? Guys, I wish you also strive for your goal. At the end of the video, I will give you another quote from Cristiano Ronaldo. And now relax, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and enjoy this wonderful video prepared by the Art Sport Plus team. So, the video is coming to an end. Here is another quote from Cristiano Ronaldo. Here's what he noted. I consider myself a winner. I win more often than I lose. I always try to stay focused. I know it's not easy, but everything in life is not easy. If it were the other way around, we wouldn't be born crying. A reason to reflect on the thoughts of this talented football player. If you liked this video, like it, write a comment and subscribe to our channel.